Hey there everyone, it is Maria Young here, and I am hoping that each and every one of you guys are growing well today. As you can see, I am in my garden and I happen to gaze upon one of my most beautiful, most functional, most space-saving plant displays that I could ever have, and I can't even imagine why I haven't spotlighted it yet with you guys. So today I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna show you how beautiful, magnificent, functional, and oh so very space-saving that it is. Now, I will have to admit that I already have some plant structures and also some plant holders that serve such a great purpose within my garden. As you can see right here with this man-made arbor, something that I MacGyvered together, and this definitely serves such a great purpose, holding so many varieties of different plants as you can see, and definitely beautifying my garden. Oh, and look at here, guys. We have some blooms that are soon to come. Yay! And of course, as you guys already know, I do have my orchid kennel that houses many of my beautiful and wonderful orchids inside and also outside. As you can see with many of my orchids hanging outside of this orchid kennel. So functionality is definitely the theme throughout my garden. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at my most favorite plant display. And here it is, guys. This is my very functional, very beautiful, and very space-conserving plant holder right here, or at least that's what I've made it, because this in actual reality is an upside-down cone-shaped trellis, believe it or not. This upside down cone-shaped trellis right here is actually housing a good 30 to 40 of my Bromeliads within my Bromeliad collection. So yes, indeed, a prime example of conserving space and having quite a horizontal garden. And because this plant holder right here has quite a cylinder or spherical shape to it, you can literally house your plants along it, around it, from top to bottom, front and back. So yes, again, space conserving because you can use all of the space that's needed. And if I actually used it as I can, or the potential of what it has, I could probably house about 60 or 80 or more plants on it. Oh, and before I forget to mention, this can literally be used whether it be outdoors or even indoors. After all it is a trellis, and once you hang up all of your plants on this trellis, you barely even notice that it's on a trellis at all. So yes, a beautiful display indoors as well. So how does this plant holder, plant trellis thingamabop work anyways, right? Well, let me show you. It is absolutely simple. As you can see here, I have my plant that is potted up right there. Look at that. So I keep them in the pot, but if we turn it around, you will see that infamous M hook right there. That M hook that I showed you in one of my videos, I'm telling you, allows all of my plants to hang very sturdy within this plant holder. And even with all of the winds that we get, I haven't had an issue yet with one single pot knocked off this trellis. And as I did state, this is an actual trellis made for vines to climb and crawl on within your garden. But because it has so many different areas where you can hang your pots, that's what makes it so convenient, so functional, and space conserving, because you can hang so many plants all about this trellis. And I do gotta tell you what I do love the most about this plant trellis that has been converted into a plant holder is the fact that you can hang whatever different types of plants that you want to on here, and for the fact that you are keeping your plants potted up. So this is very interchangeable. You can change out your plants at will, and you can even coordinate a theme to this if you wanted to. So imagine during the holiday season what function this would serve on your front porch. I actually believe that it would make quite an impactful holiday themed display. And as you can see right here, this is literally my Bromeliad holiday tree with how it looks. And what I'm thinking about for the holiday season is actually having some ornaments intertwined, maybe some ribbons, and a definite star or a ribbon at the top of my holiday tree. What about that, folks? So can you guys see why I absolutely love this plant holder right here? I mean, I cannot even begin to express how many different ways you can literally use this. It is so much fun and also so very beautiful, and of course, so functional and space conserving. And there you have it, folks. This is my most favorite plant holder display right here. You guys definitely let me know exactly what you thought about my tropically delicious Bromeliad tree right here. Also, let me know exactly what you think about using a trellis such as this to hold all of your beautiful plants, and make sure you post those comments below. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I do truly hope that this video has inspired you guys to grow your plants beautifully and also creatively. And if you guys like this video, please be sure to like, share, and also subscribe. And please join me on my Facebook and also my Instagram under My Orchid Adventures. Thank you guys so much, and as you guys already know, I do truly love and appreciate each and every one of you guys all, and I will see you guys later, and I'll also grow with you guys later on my next adventure. Bye bye for now. Mwah.